worst part, when people get caught, it's not the credit repair company that usually goes to jail. Sometimes it's the desperate client who followed their advice. The company disappears, changes names, and starts over. The client gets a criminal record on top of bad credit. This is why the FTC just banned some credit repair scammers permanently after they ran a $100 million pyramid scheme. But for every one that gets caught, 10 more pop up, more serious and direct. So why do I only work with wealthy clients? Simple. I refuse to participate in exploitation.